So there it says, Vikriditam, in that 10th canto of Bhagavatam, chapter 33, verse 9, Vikriditam Brajabadubir Chavishnum. Vikriditam Brajabadubir Chavishnum. So it says Vishnu, literally it says Vishnu, Vikriditam means like Krita, Jal Krita, Rati Krita, Rasa Krita. Krita means lila, enjoyment. It says Vikriditam Brajabadubir Savishnum. It's saying Vishnu, this 10th canto Ras Lila is about Vishnu enjoying with the Brajavadu. Prakriditam Brajavadu. Brajavadu Bir Chavishnum. Vishnu is Chaturbhuj Narayan, Vaikuntha. And he's enjoying with the gopis. Vikriditam Brajavadu. Brajavadu means the young married brides, Brajavadu. Means the young married brides of Vrindavan. So obviously Vishnu in that verse means Krishna. So when Prahlad Maharaj is saying, Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Smaranam, like this. He's not saying the Shringa Narahari Smaranam. Keshavadrita Narahari Rupa, Jaya Jagadishari. So how did Prahlad Maharaj protect himself? And the very same 7th canto describing all the Rakshas and demons and mountains and throwing them off mountains and trying to burn them up with Holika. And Holika is a sister of Hiranyakashipu, and she got burned up. Taking him through fire, all the elements. With all the elements, they tried to use all the elements. Bhumi, Rapo, Nalo, Vayu, Kama, all the elements they tried to destroy Prahlad by fire, by water, by earth. Big, big mountains. They threw mountains on top of him. And then they tied all rocks around him and iron chains and threw him in the water so he would drown in the water. And they took him through fire, then wind, and then so Adi Bhotika Klesh, Adi Daivaka, and snakes and Rakshas. And what was he doing to protect himself? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Good idea. That's what we would do. Whatever happened. But the Bhagavatam says, Bhagavan Akila Atman Yukta Atman. Which is it's explaining that what he was doing all the time, the Bhagavatam says Prahlad was doing meditation, Smaranam. It says Bhagavan Akila Atman. What does this mean? Bhagavan Akila Atma. That Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Narayan, Antaryami, Vishnu, he is the Atma, the soul of Akila, of all the souls. There's Atma Paramatma, there's Jivatma, then there's Antaryami, Vishnu in the heart, side by side. So Bhagavan, the soul of all souls, Yukta Atman. Yukta Atman. This is very much like yoga or Patanjali. Doesn't sound much like bhakti. These concepts of the Akila Atman, Yukta Atman, Namo Narayan, it's Tattvamasi, Ekatva. Ekatva means one. I am Narayan, Narayan is me. I am God, God is me. I am God, God is me. I am Narayan, Narayan is me. Yes, I slipped my mind. Thank you. That's what I wanted to say. I wanted to say, but thank you. Aham Brahman, I am the Brahman. So, my Atma, your Atma, Eki.